Hello everyone, I'm Amanda and we're at Shoes of Hollywood today reviewing a beautiful pair of Pleaser heels. So these are the Amuse 5-inch heels and they are in a gorgeous shiny cream colour. I think you're all going to love how unique these are. So as you can see, the front is cut out, but it's covered by a clear plastic. So it gives you that support of a full enclosed shoe, but from a distance, it looks like a lot less. And then it has this fabulous strap over the front, which keeps you really nice and secure. And their packaging is always really well done. They come individually wrapped, so when you receive these in the mail or when they get to the shop, they're not going to be damaged at all. They're going to be in perfect condition. And then the soles have a little bit of grip as well. And that's your 5-inch heel. And Pleaser always give you a beautiful carry bag, so if you're traveling somewhere, you can put your heels in this. They're going to be well protected. You can separate them with the bit of foam that comes in there because you don't want your heels getting all scratched. And this is the other one. So these are the Amuse in a cream beige colour, and it's that shiny beige, which you'll see when we go for a walk outside. I just love this clear plastic lining. I think this just makes them a really special shoe. So I can't wait to try these on and show you guys. I just did want to mention I am trying on a size 7 today, which I normally am in the Pleaser heels. However, because this is a closed toe, it's a little bit more tight on me. So just for personal preference, I would go a size 8. So you might want to think about going up a size in these. If you have a narrow foot, you might be fine. But they still fit. And then the strap is adjustable just to fit your foot to whatever size you feel comfortable and secure. And let's put the other one on. Oh, how cool is this plastic look? This makes them really versatile as well. They can match with a number of different outfits. You can wear it with a little dress, any sort of color, because they're that beige sort of cream tone, or you could wear it with a nice pair of jeans, even ripped jeans. I think that's a really nice look. White singlet. And again, these are a 5-inch heel, guys. Okay, should we go for a little walk in them? Do the turn. I'll just show you from a distance what it looks like with that clear cutout. I think that's really cute. How about we do a little walk? So these are single sole. There's no platform at the front, but they're still quite comfortable. And easy to walk in. You're all strapped in, feeling very secure. I'll give you guys a look from the side. And yeah, if you have pretty nail polish on, you can see them through the shoes. I didn't even know I was going to be wearing this color today, and my nails match, so that's always fun. Alright, how about we go for a little walk outside into the sunlight so you can see exactly what they look like. If you guys are liking these videos, make sure you hit like and subscribe and the bell at the top so that you can get all the notifications when a new video comes out, and then you won't ever miss a thing. And if I'm on the channel, you get to see me first. Yeah, these are really cute shoes. I'll do a little turn for you so you can see exactly what they look like. How about we go for a little wander? Can you believe this is a winter's day in Brisbane, guys? It is absolutely beautiful weather. A nice day to go for a stroll in my new heels from Shoes of Hollywood. They are actually really easy to walk in considering that they're a single sole shoe. So I couldn't complain on that. I would definitely wear these out to dinner if I was going somewhere, out dancing with the girls. And they're just so unique. They're that really beautiful, different look. Not just a boring beige heel. We can take you guys back in the store now. How do you think I walk in the single sole heels, guys? I should be walking okay. I do wear these quite a bit. Alright guys, come back inside with me and we'll take them off. As you can see when we're walking through the store as well, Shoes of Hollywood does not just sell high heels, they sell an array of costumes and little outfits and wigs. So we're going to try on a wig in a little bit. You guys can see what they look like as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thanks for having me again. We'll see you next time.